So we just discussed what would happen in the future if we rolled a die. What's the probability of getting a 4? There's one possible way out of 6 total possible ways. Well, sometimes we roll more than one dice. So what's the probability of getting 6 and then another 6? So let's take a look at the black die first. There's one way to get a 6 out of 6 ways total. All right? Then we roll the green die. Well, there's one way to get a 6 out of 6 ways total that die can face up when we're done. Now, when you have more than one, you multiply them together. When you multiply fractions, it's always top times top, bottom times bottom. 1, 6 times 6 is 36. So the probability of rolling 2 6s is 1 out of 36 times. Doesn't mean that every 36 times you roll, you're going to get it once, but that's an average. It's a prediction of what will happen in the future. That's probability.